Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today my new recipe, tomato egg curry. If viewers like my recipe, please try this recipe at home. Boil egg for 1 minute. After 1 minute, switch off the flame. Then dip in normal water. If you dip in normal water, you can peel out the shell very easily. This is my today's tip. Now for masala, add 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic. Then add half teaspoon haldi powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder or as needed, 1 tablespoon dhania powder. Add enough water and make a fine paste. Heat mustard oil in a karai. When the oil is hot, then add chopped potatoes. Fry till it is light brown in color. Then add masala paste. Mix it properly and cook till the potato become tender. Now I am going to add 2 tomato purees. Cook for 1 minute. Then add boiled egg one by one. Add salt as needed. Mix it properly. Now add enough water. Add chopped tomatoes. Half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it properly and cook for 1 minute. From 1 minute, check it. If it is done, then transfer to a serving plate. You can serve with hot or steamed rice and chapati for lunch and dinner. Enjoy with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my cooking videos. See you in next video. Take care and bye.